Differential calculus is a branch of mathematics that deals with the study of how things change. It is the mathematics of motion and change. It provides a way to calculate the rate of change of a variable with respect to another variable. The primary tool used in differential calculus is the derivative, which is a measure of how a function is changing at a specific point. Differential calculus has many important applications in various fields including physics, engineering, economics and computer science. In physics, it is used to model the motion of objects and to predict and control the behavior of physical systems. In engineering, it is used to design systems and machines that harness natural phenomena such as wind, water, and electricity. In economics, it is used to model and understand complex systems such as stock prices and economic growth. In computer science, it is used to optimize algorithms and to model the behavior of complex systems. Overall, differential calculus is a powerful tool that allows us to understand and predict how things change, and it is used in a wide range of fields to model and analyze complex systems.